Hello guys and welcome to Computer Coder. Subscribe to Computer Coder for more coding updates. This is Python programming series day 3 and this is the agenda for today's session. Today we are going to see about variables and creating a variable in Python, naming a variable in Python and assigning a value to variable, assigning value to multiple variables, global variables, data types and Python data types. Variables are the reference to the memory location. Variables are used to store the data values. In runtime, variables can be changed. Creating a variable in Python. Creating a variable in Python is very simple, like assigning a value to a variable. Like other language, Python do not need commands to declare a variable. Python variable can change its own type. Variable name. Variable name must start with one letter or an underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number. Variable name can contain only alphanumeric characters and underscore, and variable names are case sensitive. Data type. Data type is a type of the data which we provide to the program to process the data. In Python, we no need to define the data type. Let us see Python data types. Show the data types in detail in future. Guys, let us do this now. First, let us open Python IDE and let us declare a variable x. In Python, variable declaration is very easy. Simply variable name equal to value. Let us use type keyword to return the data type of the variable of x. It is int. And we can declare another variable y equal to 3.14. This should return float. And we can declare a complex number 3 equal to 9j. And this should return complex. Now let us open new Python script. Now we can see multiple variable declaration. Very simple. Simply a, b, c equal to values. Make sure that number of variable name equal to number of values. Now let us print the value and its data type. We got the output. We can see about global variables. Global variables are the variables which can be accessed in any functions. Global variable be a and the value of a will be 1000. We can print the value of a in my function and execute the program. We got the value as 1000. Let's see Python data types. Let string is equal to hello world. It is of the data type str, and int equal to 20. It is of the data type integer, and float equal to 3.14. It is of the data type float, and complex equal to 1 plus 3j. It is of the data type complex. List equal to some values. List is a data type of sequence. It is a collection of values, and tuple equal to some values. It is also similar to list, and range equal to range of 1 to 100. It will return the sequence of range 1 to 100. Equal to dictionary of some values. Dictionary is a data type of hash table, and set equal to set of 132, and frozen set equal to frozen set of apple, orange, mango, and bool equal to bool of 1. It is a boolean data type which should return true or false. Byte equal to b of hello world. Byte is a data type of the Python which represents a binary value of given str data type. Byte array is equal to byte array of 5. It will return the byte value range from 0 to 4. Memory view allows the Python code to access the internal data. And we can execute the code. Hence we got the output. We can discuss about list, tuple, dictionary, sets in future. Friends, if you want this code is available in the GitHub page and the link is available in the description. Click on the link to get the code. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Computer Code.